Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Today we are presenting drama on the farmer taxes. So, Mr. Kalpesh and Mr. Badu is playing role of the GST officer, and Mr. Bhushan is the IS officer in this drama. And we are both Mr. Deepak and Mr. Vishal Patil. We are both farmers. So, let's start drama.
What is the government document in the farmer tax? Okay, sir. Take action immediately. So, where is the document, sir? Your document. Mr. Kalpesh?
Yes, sir.
Sir, Mr. Kalpesh, this is document of all the taxes, collect the farm taxes, and our senior officer, IS officer, give me this give me this form and collect the tax of GST.
But what happened?
Sir, past farmers does not pay their taxes, so that's why our senior officer take this action, and I also obey his rule. So that Mr. Kalpesh, and you have to presenting on display or news anchor or newspaper like that. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll solve your problem.
Take that.
Breaking news, breaking news, breaking news. All farmers are government are new rule. All farmers are government are breaking news, breaking news. All farmers are very critical situation. Government are new rule are taking a new rule. All farmers are paid. Breaking news, breaking news. All farmers are very critical situation. Government are new rule are taking a new rule. All farmers are paid income tax, farmer tax.
Stop.
What
What happened?
You don't see a news?
No, I don't see this news. What's happening in this news?
Government applied new tax, new rule and tax for farmers. Means we have to also pay the farmer tax.
Oh, we are paying to tax to the government, but why are we paying the tax? Because our business is to be personal.
Because all it means our land we are producing.
Yes, and we are hard work in our land. Why we are paying this tax?
We have to action. We have to take action on this.
Yes, immediately we have to take action on this news, and also we are going government office, and we are immediately taking
First,
action.
we have to collect all our
Village farmers, so we can get backup of them, and we will going to government office.
Is the IS officer.
But why?
But why means they applied.
Why are you shouting?
Who are you?
I am a PM.
And I am the farmer.
But why happened? Solving your problem. I am solving your
Okay, please
problem.
first listen. Why are they applied tax for farmers?
Sir, what's your problem?
Why are you applied a government tax?
Sir, our senior officer give me this
Where
order,
is the
and
senior officer?
I'm
Where is
also
the
obey this.
senior officer? Where is the senior officer? Please come, sir.
What's happened?
Why are you applying these rules for the all farmers? You don't mind that what's happened that time?
Sir.
Sir,
This
do
is
this.
senior IS officer,
Yes,
sir.
this is a senior officer. You not speaking out loudly.
Okay, you can't shout it.
Okay,
Okay.
sir, please tell him to go back, sir.
Please.
But why I am a security.
Sir,
Yes, peon me.
You are security. You
Okay, sir.
I also
I
manage.
go back.
Okay, I will also manage.
Okay, sir.
please say that.
Sir, please. Speak now.
Yes.
okay, please.
Tell me why are you applying this rule for all farmers?
Sir, 220 not taxing properly paying the money.
What we pay tax, our land, our government, all things are ours. Why we give a tax to you?
Are you paying your taxes?
Farmer not pay any taxes, and we don't pay our tax.
It's your necessary to pay all the taxes of
We are not civilians and we are not businessmen. That we pay tax.
We are working in our land. That time we will get money
I'm
from the
asking you simple
corporation.
question, okay.
Why we paying this
I'm
tax?
asking-
Because of us,
Don't
you
speak
are-
here loud, okay? I'm asking you simple question.
Yes, please.
Are you pay the electricity bill of your farmer?
What?
Are you pay the
Yes,
electricity bill
we
of your
are
farmer?
pay electricity bill at the every month. You don't
When are you
forget
paying?
that.
When are you paying this?
What?
When are you paying this
The
electricity bill?
power
At the last month.
MCBC.
What is the bill of your
The
farmer?
last month is that 10,000 rupees bill is
Will we
Sir,
pay?
you also pay this bill and you are not paying this type of taxes.
But we-
Why are you saying like this, sir?
but why we should that paying this tax? Because we are hard work in our
I
land.
also know you are hardworking man.
And growing our crops, and why should we paying your tax or
Sir,
government tax?
This is not my responsibility. Our senior officer give me this order and I also obey this order.
It's not your responsibility, but you should apply our
Sir, I am
village.
a servant, sir. Okay.
I tell you that please ask
Sir, you direct the senior officer.
Yes.
Go now.
Oh, senior officer, please.
All level senior officer.
I am senior officer.
Why are you applying this track tax to the all farmers?
This is the government letter.
You don't mind that farmers are hardworking.
Sir, this is a
Because of us,
senior
you are
officer.
giving-
Yes, I know.
You are farmer, sir.
He
You
is
know
the IS officer. I know. I just asking him why are you applying
He is
this?
farmer, he is an IS officer, means he is not
Sir.
eat food.
Sir, he is not.
What he eat, it comes from our land.
Sir, he is also belong to the poor family and he knows the real.
But now he is the IS officer.
I am sorry your problem, but 229 not I am trainer lightweight.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Yeah.
We get paid all land.
Sir, sir.
Yes.
You don't.
This
just
year
say
also we are
so,
paying the all energy bills. Okay. You don't forget that.
I am not solving your problem. This is a government letter.
We have to prove of this energy bills. Paying this.
Sir, we are also solve your problem. Please sit up, sir.
Please,
Please sit.
Go back.
No.
This is a government letter.
it's not Simon, go back. You
Okay.
tell and we are go.
You are not mention the history of Simon Go back. You are just asking or thinking about your taxes. Okay.
Okay.
You don't go past history. Okay. Simon Go back. Okay. Please, I will also solve your problem. Please
Yes.
sit up, sir.
Yes.
I mean, you should take this order and he also decrease the and there also decrease the tax farm taxes. Okay. Okay, sir. You take some section. Sir,
What, sir?
I decided. Our senior officer take this and sir, he also say me please forgive them and forgive the electricity bill or taxes. Okay.
We
Okay.
are not saying that we don't pay electricity. We pay, but all the type of nonsense we don't pay.
Yes.
Okay. You are
This tax-
you
this
are paying
tax
now. Are you paying?
Sir, this tax is very nonsense and nonsense tax because we are very poor farmers. We are hardworking in our farmers and how should we pay this
Sir, I also
tax?
know the farmer life of in
Yes, very situation
I
and
think you are done.
our family is belongs to a very
I
poor
also know
life.
I also know the situation of poor farmer. They don't pay the taxes of any kind of taxes.
Yes,
So, sir, please.
We are not
Because we don't get proper money from our crops.
Sir, our senior IS officer say me and said that me and you will decrease the tax of this.
But decrease. We don't pay this all tax of
They are saying
taxes.
that they cancel this tax.
Okay, sir. I also say that cancel this tax. Okay,
No.
This sir, you have to cancel this tax, sir.
No cancel because
Sir, they can't pay their taxes, sir. So you can decrease the.
I will say Prime Minister decreasing tax. I am not let them. It's the government matter.
You are also manager. I am not taking. Sir, they don't listen to me, sir. They also say me this is a government matter and you should also go to the government. Sir, this is your wish, sir. You will also complete your
Oh man,
Now we have
you don't understand that our situation. What is our situation? You don't understand
we
that?
have to take a big action against it.
I am not.
Yes, we will complain against him with the high court.
Why?
And for the farmer, government is be at the any time is be.
I am not matter on this matter.
One answer, one question asking.
Yes.
You cancel it or not?
No.
Why are you not cancel
Why
this?
are you not cancel this?
Why are you not cancel this action? Why?
Sit up. Go back.
Or go back.
Oh. Why are you not paying? Why are you not?
What happened?
What?
What happened? Why
This is your IS officer and this is not cancel this tax documents. Why he not cancel these documents?
What's your problem, sir? I'm
You
here for
respect.
IPS. Okay.
हाँ,
What's your problem, sir?
This is a government matter, please. I am not let them.
This is a government.
and they are government service.
Yes, servant.
I am also
He is a
service.
government servant and he is the head of this department. Why he did not cancel this
You have to take
tax?
action.
Please, sir. You.
I will not help you.
Office and tell them to cancel. Okay.
Okay, I am.
Okay.
Okay, you know go.
I am talking with
Sir,
CM.
sir, call back you. Okay.
Call back you.
What call back? I don't have your number.
New number.
I'm give a number, sir. I